Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. As you can see, we have a blank canvas right here because we are about to show some entries, you guys. I have been holding on to all these packages all week and I cannot wait to go through them. Let me fix my angle here because it's looking a little crooked to me. Oops, sorry for the shakiness, but let's get into it, you guys, because I have tons to go through. I might do half on this video and half in another. So the first one I'm doing is from Carmen Lay, and she sent this super cute little box. I'm gonna take everything out of the box. Ooh, little lip gloss with a little pineapple. How cute! Ooh, there's so much goodies in here. And then she's got her embellishments and a cute little card. Let me get rid of this box. Okay, let's see the card. It says, today is the day. And she is Real Life, Real Wife on Instagram. Thank you so much, Carmen, for entering my challenge. Let's see. We got these super pretty little fabric bows. Well, one bow and two little flowers. Look at the colors. It's like coral and then the minty green. Loves it. And then she gave me this lip gloss, which came out of the package, which is fine because I'm going to display it anyway. Look how cute. And it's like a little lip gloss. Is that not fun? I'm going to display that on my shelf. And then we have this super cute little candy box, and in here, I don't want to mess it up, but let's just cut one side of the ribbon. I'll keep my scissors right here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I see crinkle paper, and then we have, oh, a pink nail polish. Look how pretty that pink is. And I gotta do my nails, you guys. They're super chipped, so I might do this color when I paint my nails tonight. How cute. Thank you, girly. You guys already know that I'm doing my nails for every video now, so now I have a new nail polish. I love this little candy box. So cute. She sent me some gemmies, all different colors. Thank you. She sent me a tassel. Ah, it's like a metallic one. That's fun to add to like a tag flip or any project. And then lastly, here are some of her embellishments. Look how cute, like these little pinwheel style. I've made these in the past. They're so fun. Look at this one, how pretty. I love the paper choice. So cute. Thank you so much, girly. I love it. We're gonna put it over here so that I can keep adding to our eye candy that we have starting. Next package is from Marlena Campbell, and let's take it out. So we have, ooh, look at those colors. So Marlena is You Scrap, I Scrap on IG. We have a little card, and I think that's it here. Let's open up her card. Oh, you guys, look how pretty. This is gorgeous. I love the layering, all the colors. Aww. And I like how she put the little note inside with washi tape, so if I wanted to reuse the card, I can. Thank you. Let's look at her embellies. So she's got these cute little like rosettes. So we got this one, a plain one that if I wanted to decorate it, and then we have this one right here. How cute. It says thanks. When you flip it around, you have this one with the vellum. I love vellum rosettes. I think they look so delicate, so cute. I love your paper choice, girly. So adorable, so me. And that's her info. She's got an Etsy shop. Thank you so much, Marlena, for entering my challenge and sending me these goodies. I love them, and they're going to be a great enhancement in my embelly collection. Next one is from Deborah Zuliaga. I think Zuliaga. Zuloga. Maybe I'm pronouncing that wrong. I've heard that last name before. Okay, so let's see what Deborah sent over. She sent over a card. She sent over such fun, summerish looking stuff, you guys. Look at this. This is cute. I love the little watermelon. That is my favorite fruit. If you guys didn't know, look at the flamingo. It says summer. And she sent me a huge pineapple shaker. And then, oh, look, you guys. She sent me like a tassel charm and she wrote my name on it. That is so cute. Thank you so much for that. I love personalized things. And look at the little scissors. That is so cute. Look at this. Is that not adorable? And she made it in pink because you guys know that I am like the biggest girly girl. And she put this little clip here just to hold it together. Isn't that cute? I love it. And look at her embellishments, you guys. How cute are these? Super fun for the summer. How cute. Yes, very warm. Very warm. Look at it. She has this little thing hanging down. That's so fun. Let me see if I can see what her handle is and show you guys her card. So this is her card. It says Happy Summer. Cute little typewriter. She added some fun stickers. And she is Deborah Zaga on Instagram and Deborah Z on YouTube, but she doesn't really do any videos. So cute. So she said she sent in pineapple shaker, flip tag, a floaty heart rosette, a cactus rosette, and a tassel. Girl, thank you so much. I love it. So that's Deborah's stuff. I'm trying to put it this way so I don't mix anybody's up because I haven't posted any pictures on Instagram, and you guys know that I like to post your entries on my Instagram. And then we're gonna do one more envelope, and then we're at 7 minutes, so I'm gonna do one more envelope and then we'll close this video off and start another one. And this package we're opening is from Poochie Tats. And you guys, look at all of this glory. And Poochie had sent me a message on Instagram asking me if I had received it, but since I had not gone through my P.O. box as of yet, I picked it up, but I just had it sitting around in my living room because I just wasn't feeling well with my back hurting and all. But I got it, girl, and it's gorgeous, and I cannot wait to go through it. So look at her little packaging, you guys. She's got this cute little bag, and then she has a little gift for me because it's all wrapped up. Feels like Christmas. And then let's see, what's this? There's a little note on it. This was made by my 12-year-old daughter, Amaya. She's quite the artist. Ooh, thank you, Amaya. I love when you guys send me stuff and your kiddos send me stuff too. This was made, and this is from Alexis, which is her 10-year-old. Aww. I'm gonna show that to my wife that you guys said that. A lot of you guys are always asking for Wifey Wednesday, and if you're new here and you don't know what Wifey Wednesday is, my wife used to jump on here on, it all started off one day when I wanted her to create a card for Valentine's Day. And when I tell you, you guys fell in love with her, and we started making it a thing where she would come on here and film for you guys every Wednesday, whether that was doing something silly like trying on one of my machines or trying to make a project. She even made a rosette for you guys. If you guys go back and watch her videos, you will just crack up because she has quite a personality. And a lot of you guys are always, I get at least 2 to 3 comments on every video saying that you guys miss Wifey Wednesday. So I'm going to link down below my wife's Instagram. You guys go to her Instagram and tell her you want her to do Wifey Wednesdays again. So maybe you can get her to do it like that. So go on over to her Instagram that I'm going to link down below. And on any of her pictures, just comment, come back and do Wifey Wednesdays. We miss you, because maybe that way she'll listen. She loves to do them. It's not that she doesn't like to do them. It's just that sometimes timing is not good. But I'll link that down below. You guys go and spam the hell out of her, and maybe she'll come back. And maybe you guys might get a video on Wednesday. Who knows? Not promising anything. But look, you guys, is this not cute? She sent me some gold eyelash trim, which I will be saving. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these embellishments. They're like these little envelopes stuffed with rosettes. So cute. What an amazing idea. I might have to kind of like scrap lift this. So cute. And they're little doilies, you guys. Cute. And then look at these embellishments. She used Maggie Holmes Sunny Days. And look at the over embellishing. These are gorgeous. Girl, I love these. And then she sent me a cute little card. Look at her writing. I love that. Look at this. Is this not adorable? So cute. She has a YouTube channel and it's Poochie Tats. I'm going to have everybody linked down below if they have a channel or an Instagram. I do either or on the bottom of my down bar. So definitely always check out the down bar. I try to load it up with as much information as I can. But let's go through these little baggies. So we're going to go through this one first. There's a cute little bow. And we're going to see what's in here. Ooh, more embellishments. Look at this, you guys. Oh, these are gorgeous. I love these. I'm just like Alicia. I like analyze everything. How do they like do it so that I can recreate how they layer. These are gorgeous. Girl, you are one talented lady. Look at these little mini envelope shakers. So pretty. I love that you used the most girliest colors ever, which is so me. I don't even know where to go because everything is so beautiful. But we're going to see what Amaya created. And Amaya attached this cute little tag here. And let's see. Wow. Look at you, Amaya. That is adorable. Girl, you're like an expert crafter. And you're only 12 years old? Wow, that's awesome. Look at her cute little rosette. I love this. I totally could have used this in my project that I worked on last night. I love the colors. She put me some crinkle paper inside. And then she sent me 2 little banner clips. Look how cute, you guys. Thank you so much, Amaya. I really appreciate it. I love it. So cute. These embellishments are gorgeous. And you should definitely be proud of yourself. Definitely quite the little artist like your mama said. Thank you so much for that. And then here we have Alexis's little project. Oh, let me put my little clip back on. Maya's little bag. Look at that. Let's see what Amaya made, because I'm thinking these are some little crafty girls. Look at that. Super cute. Ooh, what's in here? It's a bunch of yummies. Ooh, she sent me a bunch of little die cuts and little chipboard pieces. Thank you, Alexis. That's so cute. And I'll definitely be using it and adding it to my stash. And this embellishment is adorable. I see you use a little cupcake liner. Super cute. Thank you so much for this, girls. That means so much to me. I really appreciate it. And the last thing in this package, maybe we should move it this way so that I don't misplace anything. Let me see. Is this little gift right here. And let's see what we got. I like this wrapping paper. What do we have here? Oh, did I miss something? No. Aw, she sent me this cute little journal with little llamas. No prob llama. And the cute little llama stickers. I love these. I had a pack of these and I had gifted them and now I have it again. Thank you so much for that, Poochie. I loved your package. It's adorable. I love the fact that your daughters joined in the fun. Thank you so much for entering my challenge. And that's it for this video, you guys. Stay tuned for my next video with some more entries, because trust me, there is more. My desk is filled right now with like 5 boxes and a bunch of envelopes. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.